Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a recent and significant judgment by the High Court regarding the power of District Magistrates under Section 14 of the SARFAESI Act. If you are a student, a layman, or just someone interested in the intricacies of Indian law, this video is for you. We'll break down the legal jargon, explain the judgments in simple terms, and discuss its implications. So stick around because this is going to be both informative and engaging. In this video, we'll cover 1. Background of the SARFAESI Act, understanding its purpose and key provisions. 2. Section 14 of the SARFAESI Act, what it entails and the powers it grants to district magistrates. 3. Recent judgments by High Court, key points from judgments and its implications. 4. Relevant case laws, discussing significant cases relating to Section 14. 5. Judges' comments, insights and opinions from judiciary. And finally, the conclusion and recap, where we summarize the discussion and its impact on borrowers and financial institutions. So let's get into the video. The Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest Act, which is called SARFAESI, which was released in 2002, is a crucial legislation in the Indian financial system. It allows banks and financial institutions to auction residential or commercial properties to recover their loans. The Act empowers them to enforce their security interest without the intervention of courts, thereby expediting the recovery process. Section 14 of the SARFAESI Act empowers the district magistrate to assist banks in taking physical possession of the secured assets. This section is vital for the enforcement mechanism, ensuring that financial institutions can recover their dues efficiently. The DM's role includes verifying the legitimacy of the application and facilitating the smooth handover of the property. Recently, the Rajasthan High Court delivered a significant judgment regarding the powers of district magistrates, or otherwise it's called as DMs, under Section 14. The court clarified the extent and limitation of these powers, emphasizing the need for due process and fairness. The key points of the judgment. The court emphasized that the DM must conduct a thorough verification of the bank's claim before taking action. Protection of borrowers is the second. Borrowers should be given an opportunity to present their case, ensuring a fair hearing. The third is the court directed that actions under Section 14 should be completed within a stipulated time frame to avoid unnecessary delays. This judgment is crucial as it reinforces the balance between the rights of the financial institutions and the protection of borrowers' interest. In order to understand the broader context, let's look at some notable case laws related to Section 14 of the SARFAESI Act. The first case is Standard Chartered Bank versus V. Noble Kumar. The Supreme Court clarified the procedural requirements under Section 14, emphasizing the need for a detailed and reasoned order by the DM. The second case is Harshad Govardhan Sonadgar versus International Assets Reconstruction Company Limited. This case highlighted the importance of tenant rights in properties taken over under Section 14, ensuring that the due process is followed. The third case is ITC Limited versus Blue Coast Hotels Limited. The court examined the extent of DM's powers and the necessity for a fair and transparent process. Judicial commentaries often provide deeper insights into the reasoning behind judgments. Here are some notable observations by judges on Section 14. Justice R. Bhanumati in the Standard Chartered Bank case, the role of district magistrates under Section 14 is not merely administrative but quasi-judicial, requiring careful examination of the facts and circumstances of each case. The second commentary is from Justice J. Chamileshwar, Harshan Govardhan Sonadgar case. The protection of tenants' rights in SARFAESI proceedings is paramount, and any action under Section 14 must be undertaken with due regard to existing tenancy. Here are some interesting legal facts related to SARFAESI Act and Section 14. First, the SARFAESI Act was introduced to address the slow recovery process in Indian banks, which often face prolonged legal battles to recover dues. The second interesting fact is the Act does not apply to agricultural land, ensuring that farmers' interests are protected. 3. Many DMs now use digital platforms to streamline the verification and possession process under Section 14. In conclusion, the recent judgments by the Rajasthan High Court has brought significant clarity to the powers of district magistrates under Section 14 of the SARFAESI Act. It reinforces the need for a fair and transparent process, protecting the interests of both financial institutions and borrowers. By understanding these legal provisions and judgments, we can appreciate the delicate balance between efficient loan recovery and safeguarding individual rights. To recap what we have discussed, the purpose and key provisions of the SARFAESI Act. First, the role and powers of DMs under Section 14. Second, third, key points from recent High Court judgments. 4. Relevant case laws and judicial commentaries. 5. Interesting legal facts related to the SARFAESI Act. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more insightful legal discussions. Until next time, stay informed and stay empowered. Bye-bye.